We're gassed up, ready to go, leaving Green Cove. Oh yeah, we got the rigs, the cooler, the bait. Daddy's off work.
Let's go. Everybody just have a good time. And we gon' make you lose your mind. Everybody just have a good time. Party rockers in the house tonight. Everybody just have a good time. I can feel it. We gon' make you lose your mind. We just wanna see you.
Oh yeah. Out with Raymond today. We've got 2 in the cooler, but we're going to a different spot near Niagara Reef. This is what we got. It's a good sized perch. It's a pretty good one. We got 2 so far. We sat for about 30-40 minutes in one spot closer to inland, and now we're out near Beacon. So made it to the lake. Love you, Mom. Yeah. Yeah.
I literally just went offline.
Raymond, say hi to Aunt Rachel.
Hi, Aunt Rachie.
Oh. Bradley, say hi to Aunt Rachel.
Hi, Aunt Rachie.
Well, look at this feast the Hughes has got me for my birthday. That is a monstrous steak with the onions and the mushrooms on top and the potatoes.
And then look.
Trista took good care of us.
And
Thank
then
you.
a birthday cake.
Dang, that army birthday cake.
It's camo, whatever.
No, I love it. That's awesome. What do you think, Bradley? You like it?
Yeah.
Want to try some?
Yeah.
All right, you got to eat your dinner. Yeah, we're having a good time. Love you.